At number 7, we have the Honda Rebel 300. This bike is a legend for beginner and senior riders alike. Weighing only around 364 pounds, it's incredibly easy to maneuver. With a low seat height, relaxed ergonomics, and bulletproof reliability, the Rebel is a confidence booster on two wheels. Plus, Honda's reputation for durability means we'll spend more time riding and less time in the garage.
Next up at number 6, the Kawasaki Z400. This naked sport bike brings modern styling with easy control. At just 364 pounds, it offers a zippy 399cc twin engine that's smooth and responsive. Seniors love it because it's lightweight, fuel-efficient and fun without being intimidating. Perfect for quick city rides or weekend escapes. At number 5, we've got the Yamaha MT-03. Known as the dark side of Japan, this bike combines sharp looks with beginner-friendly handling. It weighs just about 373 pounds, and the 321cc engine delivers enough excitement while still being forgiving. For older riders, the MT-03 is a great choice because it's nimble, comfortable, and stylish without being overwhelming. Sliding into number 4, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. This retro cruiser has quickly become a favorite among senior riders. With a weight of around 421 pounds, it's still manageable, and the upright seating position is all-day comfortable. It's not built for speed. Instead, it's about enjoying the ride at a relaxed pace. Plus, the price point makes it a budget-friendly gem. At number 3, we have the Honda CB500X. This lightweight adventure-style motorcycle comes in at just 439 pounds, making it one of the easiest adventure bikes to ride. It offers great wind protection, upright ergonomics, and long-distance comfort. Seniors love it because it balances versatility, reliability, and ease of use. Perfect for those who want to explore without the bulk of a big ADV bike. At number 2 is a true classic, the Suzuki SV650. This bike has been around for decades and for good reason. At 437 pounds, it's lightweight for its class, with a torque-rich V-twin engine that's smooth and predictable. Seniors love it because it's comfortable, versatile, and nearly bulletproof. Whether commuting, touring, or casual cruising, the SV650 is a timeless choice. And at number 1, the Honda Rebel 500. Why does this bike top the list is because it's lightweight, stylish, incredibly comfortable, and extremely reliable. At just 408 pounds, with a low seat height and smooth parallel twin engine, it's perfect for seniors who want a cruiser that's easy to live with. It's no wonder so many older riders call it their go-to motorcycle in 2025.